Let's talk about spare parts consumption and its impact to both cost and carbon footprint. In conventional line sorters, the main wear parts are the sliding shoes and the diverts. And during a midlife upgrade, the aluminum carrier as well. Replacing broken components not only leads to higher costs, but also contributes to environmental impact through increased waste and disposal. The smart carriers of our new sorter are designed for remanufacturing. Broken carriers are replaced by new carriers, but they are not thrown away. Instead, there's a return process that brings the carriers back to the manufacturing plant. And here they are inspected, repaired and tested. And once deemed approved, they are brought back into operation, having the same functionality and quality as the original part. We do this for as long as this is economically viable to remanufacture a carrier. The materials used in our new sorter are carefully selected to be of recycled materials. In the shoe, for example, the shoe is made out of recycled plastic, and once it loses its functionality on the sorter, it's being recycled again. In this way, we follow the cradle-to-cradle principle. You want to see more? Follow us in this series as we'll continue to unveil different challenges we're solving.
Vanderlande, moving your business forward.